welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make simple world map infographic videos using PowerPoint. Before begin, I would like to share with you one of the top-ranking YouTube animated map and data visualizations channel that inspire me very much. This is the animated map and data visualizations channel that hits 168k subscribers and 54 million views. So, this is very impressive, right? Are you getting excited? Want to know how to do this? Stay tuned. I will show you a simple step to make this kind of world map infographic video. First of all, we need to source data and information before we make simple world map infographic. Don't worry, I will list out of the website that you can search the source data and information to make this simple world map infographic. The data source I use for this simple world map infographic is from the Wikipedia website. After log in to the Wikipedia, simply type the information or data you want to search. For instance, I'm looking for McDonald's first country outlets. You can save the data information and location map for the infographic usage. For free images and icons, we can go to pixabay.com. Simply types in the keywords you want to search for the free images and icons. Click download and save it. The software that I use to edit the map images and create icons is using Inkscape application. Don't worry, I will write the link below for you to download the software, and it's absolutely free and open source software. Open the Inkscape software, select File, choose Open the previous downloaded map and click OK. Click on the image, select Patch and choose Trace Bitmap, tick on Live Preview and adjust the brightness cutoff threshold value until the image become dark. Pick a color, I choose gray color to set as background map image. Drag the previous color downloaded map downward, remain the edited gray map inside the rectangular shape. Double-click on the image until the image become path lines and highlight the areas and press Delete button to remove it. Realign and select the images to export, choose your file location and press the Export button. To edit the map images, click on the map and pick a color to fill up the images. To remove the unwanted areas, double-click the images to become path lines and highlight unwanted areas and press Delete to remove it. To save the edited map image, drag to highlight map image and select Export. Repeat the same process to trim for the rest of the map location images. Open the PowerPoint, click Design tab to format background. Select Gradient Fill, and pick your favorite color. Create a title block and a rectangular block for the slide and select Insert tab to key in the data source at footer. Select the Insert tab to insert picture from the previous downloaded images and icons. Arrange the images and icons to the slide layout accordingly. To display text information, types in the data information in the rectangular block. After completed, we are ready to move to next steps, that is set up the animation features to this PowerPoint slide. Select the Animation tab, choose the images or icons and select the animation features you like. The animation features will display according to the image selection in sequential number. Click and select back the images or icons to edit the animation features, duration and insert sounds. You can click Previews to view your animated results. Copy and paste the slides and insert animation features to the next slides. After complete, you can go to Slideshow tab and select from beginning icons to preview your final results. If you satisfy with the final results, go to File tab and choose Export Create a Video. You can choose your video resolutions up to 4K. Click Create Video and save as the location you want. If you want to insert music, you can use free video editor software to compose for this PowerPoint video. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please remember to click the like button and don't forget subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos and hope to see you soon.